Before I begin, I'd just like to dive into a few misconceptions about the Stream Deck. Most people believe the Stream Deck is only used for streamers and gamers, but that's not true. The Stream Deck can be used for anyone who uses a computer, especially anyone that uses multiple suites of software. For example, Adobe, um, OBS, Zoom, any kind of program, any kind of Windows programs. So as I push forward, you'll get to see what exactly can be done with this Stream Deck for these programs. You can configure multi-actions or single action. The Stream Deck can open multiple programs at once or just a single program. Also, it can turn on LED lights depending on how you have it configured. It can dim or brighten lights. It can shut down your computer. It can shut down programs. Multiple options when it comes to the Stream Deck. So let me show you. Okay, now time for the fun stuff. Let's open Stream Deck to configure the multi-actions. So under Default Profile, New Profile, right click, delete the welcome, and let's search for multi-action. I'll type in multi, and it will be the first one, multi-action. Drag that over to the second box. And now we will search for open. Open is a switch that we use to open the programs, the executables. Drag open to here, and the programs that I'll be actually configuring I have in a text file. And Chrome will be the first one, Python, OBS, then Excel. Browse in the app file location, and I will do a search for Chrome executable, which is in Program Files, Google, Chrome application, chrome.exe. Drag open, and the second one, Python. Now with Python, I'll be using this string, and I'll paste this string in here. Third one, OBS, and then Excel. So OBS, let's see if it's in Program Files, OBS Studio, OBS 64-bit. That's it. And Excel. Now I believe Excel is in Program Files x86. Let me confirm. Microsoft Office, Office 16, Excel.exe. Perfect. Okay, click on the up arrow, that brings me back here. Now there's one thing that's needed to be done before I leave this screen, and that is to configure an arrow that will take me back to the main screen. And the main screen is Profile 1. So in the search box, I'm going to search for switch profile. Bring that over here. And down at the bottom, set from file. Set from file, I have my arrows here. And profile, which one will I use? Which one will I switch to? Would be the default profile. So now if I press on the arrow, it will bring me back to my default profile. Now one thing that's missing is an icon that takes me to that profile. So what I just did, I dragged over a switch profile, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to set icon from file, and I'm going to choose a Windows 11 icon, and profile, the next profile, once I press that icon, I want it to take me to profile 1, which I'm going to rename, as you can see here. Edit profiles, right click, rename, Windows 11. Okay. Click on the X. There is no save button. With my configuration completed, let's test the multi-action. Okay. OBS is already open. Excel, Chrome, and Spider with Python. Exactly how I configured it. 4 programs still open, and all opened. To edit the multi-action, you'll click on it, and at the bottom where it says content, there are 5 actions. And it leads you back to the configuration. If there's an action I want to remove, I can just remove it from here. Right click, delete. Well, that's it for now. I hope this video was very informative. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for weekly content. If there are any other topics you'd like me to cover, please comment in the section below.